Okay, so I'm in the garage again. I had to clear all the windows in the house because we're getting them replaced. Again, another thing I don't want to screw up on that needs done sooner rather than later. And honestly, I'm just happy to be able to move all this stuff around and walk and clean and still have energy. Praise the Lord. Again, with the garage being the most neglected, it had the nastiest windows to clear. Not only the windows themselves and the blinds, but just getting past all the junk and dust. Sweep, 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 sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop. Yoink. Oh no. Creepy crawlers. Back at it with my shop vac. I love this thing. This time it was a bug sucker pal. And then this happened. I was removing a nail from the wall and pulled the wrong direction, and some of the wall popped off. Oi, more blinds and more bugses. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. La-di-da. Oh, dear Lord. I'm glad I didn't make any new little friends. And I'm thankful for another project tackled.